Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add your own audio on the reels on Instagram. To add your own audio, so you need to open first your Instagram app and you need to tap on the bottom. There's a plus sign option, and after that you need to select one of the video from here, and after selecting from here you need to tap on the top right corner next option, and after that there's this editing phase where you have to tap on the top. There's a music icon option over there, and we could see there's a voiceover just beside the controls, and tap on that option in order to your voice over on your reel. And after that you could also edit your reel. You could simply trim over here, or you could also try putting some stickers, and once you've done with it you can tap on the next option, which is on the bottom right corner, and after that you could also write your captions, tag people, also select your audiences and add location, or you could also share to the Facebook. And that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.